I have came here for the interview of the discipline captain boy, council member. I want to join the. I want to be the member of the election, and I want to make my school a discipline school. So for that, I will do much efforts that will be possible by me. I will have means I will make aware everyone about the discipline, what is the importance of the discipline, and what it will be helpful in their life. So I want to be and I will be the captain of the discipline committee of our school.
Acha, rightly you said that discipline is important in their life. So can you explain this sentence, the statement?
Ma'am,
How discipline is important in anyone's life or in school or in society as well as in nation for the growth of nation?
Ma'am, discipline is important because if everyone will be in the disciplined way, so everyone can learn easily. If let's take the example of our classroom, if everyone is being disciplined, then only the teacher will be able to teach to every and each and every student, and he or she will be able to focus on the student who is lacking behind. And if the class is not in well disciplined, then the teacher cannot be able to teach in the class, and at the same time who is best or who is lagging behind in the class, he or she cannot come at the front, or who is means who is better in studies will fall down. So the teachers means the students loss is only there if they are not in discipline. And let's take example on the nationwide. If the our nation is not working in a disciplined way, then in the present situation, let's take the example of the present situation. The coronavirus will be out of control in our country if everyone is not in discipline. All of us are following the rules and staying at home during this lockdown period, so only the number of corona patients are being controlled in our country.
Okay, very good. Yeah. So what do you think? Which aspects, which things are including in the discipline? Which things are important or the parts of the discipline? We can say which parts or which parts we can consider as a part of discipline. Yes, on the school level.
The first part of the discipline is that we should be happy and joyful in the school. If before starting of the school only we are sad, then we are not means we are not able to focus on our study and we are not in our discipline. And the next thing is that we should always follow the rules that are the main part of the discipline life. So the rules are the main aspects for the discipline.
Okay. Sir, please.
Right, Sanskar, it is Sharma here.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
You are looking more like somewhat school head boy by your dress up and all.
Head boy.
You are very well.
Yes, sir, very true.
Yes. Sanskar.
He has taken 2 minutes extra to dress up. We took 2 minutes extra to dress up.
Yes. Right. Sanskar is also important for discipline.
Yes, sir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you say about yourself how it is?
Means discipline means that sanskar are important for the discipline, because at the home level, if the parents are teaching the good values to their teacher, means to their wards, then only they are means motivated to be in the discipline and follow the rules.
Good. So one very good answer. So one particular thing which your parent has told and you are following every day as a discipline.
My parents have told that your only and only focus is on study, So I am focusing on the study, and so only I am being in the discipline to achieve my goal in the future.
Your parent might have told yoga also daily work, I think. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that yoga is adding naturally to the discipline?
It is adding, but it is at the physical level, and it maintains our health. So it is also important for our life. So it should also be come under the heading discipline.
Okay, right.
Yoga is
adding to
only on
health.
physical health.
और मेंटल भी
So,
मेंटल भी बेटा
so we have two sanskar in Holi. One sanskar is you and one sanskar is what you know.
नॉट ऑडिबल
Sir, not audible.
Yes.
Sir, your voice is cracking, sir, between.
Hello.
Ah, yes, sir, now.
Yes, sir. Yes, now it is audible, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you know?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is, yes, okay.
Ah, yes, sir.
Sanskar, my question is that one is where to think that it is
Sir, not audible. Now also cracking, sir.
okay, we can again. My question is,
Sanskar.
Ah, yes.
area in the school where discipline is lacking.
Ah,
Yeah.
ah, yes, sir. Audible now.
Can you hear now?
Ah, yes, sir. Now I can hear.
Yes, can you hear now?
Yes, sir. Now it's audible.
Okay. My question is, school somewhere you feel that. Can you hear?
Ah, yes, sir. I can hear.
Yeah, sir. Please continue, sir.
Oh, right. Right. So let me tell third time. So the question is that particular area where you feel that school discipline is lacking and there you want to work out.
Sir, in particular area is about the study only. Means I have last year many times I have seen while I was doing the volunteering work, the students are only means shouting at the end of the period or while at the starting of the period when the teacher is not in the class. So the teacher means teacher has to take more efforts to control them, and in that only 10 to 15 minutes are wasted. So I want to give more attention to that place where the
Yes,
students will not make noise in the class, and during this virtual class period there also I have been facing some problems that they are keeping their mics on and not owning their videos. So that also I will take care, means I will look after it.
Right.
Yes. So, Sanskar.
Suppose you. Yes, ma'am. Carry on. Yes.
No, sir. Yes, please continue. Then I'll.
Ma'am, you are saying something? Okay. Just last question.
Yeah.
Sanskar.
I was asking one question. Yeah.
To encourage the discipline, Sanskar, if you want to encourage the discipline in the school and you want to organize any competition regarding this discipline, so what do you think, which competition you can organize?
To means related to discipline there is no competition, but there should be awareness, means awareness I should be means shared with the students that what is the importance and what are the benefits of being disciplined. So by that they can get motivated and stay in discipline to for their only benefits.
Right, okay, ma'am, stay on.
Yeah. Sanskar, just one question that as you said, I needs to improve the discipline part. Like in absence of teachers, students are shouting or teacher needs to take a much efforts. while making them silent and all. So you will be the captain, you will be alone. So how you will balance this all the things in every class? What you will do? What will be your strategy to do this so?
So I will make a secret agent for me in the each class. So he will see, means he will take the look after the class at the home, means full day, and he will make some notes that which points I should, means I should see about, and he at the end of the day he will come to me and he will say the his his observation, and at after looking at that observation I will take some steps to control it.
Because as a captain, you give justice to your post as well, and as being a CBSE student, you have to do study also. So how you will balance both the things?
Firstly, I will do the studies at the time when I am alone and I have no disturbances. And when at the end of the day at 10 or 11 a.m., means 11 p.m., I will look after the problem told by the Sheikh sir and manage it. Means next day I will control it.
Okay.
Means first prior I will give for the study and then to the my post.
Means studies superior and duties are inferior.
Due to study only we get duties, no. If we are not study, then how I will get
Yes.
knowledge for that duty, how to manage it. So first prior to study.
Think, Nimkar sir, for this statement only, then we will stop for a moment. Yes.
Peter Sanskar, now,
Yeah.
what interest and quality would you bring to school council? What interest and quality would you to bring the school council
Sir, not
relation?
sir, not getting your voice, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir, you continue, sir. Just my voice is breaking there.
Yes, sir is asking some particular new thing or some good qualitative thing you are going to bring for discipline in the school.
So, I will encourage the student to be in the self-discipline and help them, means motivate them to be in the discipline. The road may be hard, but the results are priceless. Efforts will be hard, but the product is very nice. So that qualities I will bring.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Discipline is the bridge between the goal and the accomplishment.
Now tell me, how will you promote the student take all the precautionary measure once the school begins? At the school begins, how will you promote the student to take all the precautionary measures?
I will I will do a campaign to tell the students that what are the safety measures. Let's take the example of the during this coronavirus. I will aware the students that you should always wear the mask on your face, and I will tell why you should wear mask on your face. I will tell that the coronavirus can spread through the air, and so for that only you should wear mask, and during the mask wearing you should always cover your nose and mouth. And at the same time I will tell that you should always be 1 meter, you should always maintain 1 meter distance from each other, because it can also spread through the contact by the hands. So I will also I will encourage them to be at the maintain social distancing, or
Okay, very good and nice.
and I want to tell that all success
So thank you, Sanskar.
all success begins with the self discipline. It starts with you.
Okay, okay, very good, beta. Nice, nice.
Very
answer.
nice.
Good one.
Very good. So, yeah.
Yeah, Sharmanta, you want to say something?
And that success
Okay,
is
it was good,
success is
actually.
measured by your discipline and inner peace.
Yeah. Just one thing I want to make you ensure about yoga is important for physical as well as mental health also, and then it gives us discipline in both the levels, physical as well as mental. Rest all things are very good. Yes, fine. So you can leave now. Welcome.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.